I have put the M&M lab on this same slides that you just took the quiz on. Okay? So it is on the quiz. It's the last page. I need your attention first. I would like to explain this first, and then you may work. And you can work for the rest of the period. Okay? What we are trying to do with this is you have some M&Ms, and you have at least 50 M&Ms. Okay? Right here on your table, it says time interval, and then it says total M&Ms. Your time interval at 0 is the time interval at the very beginning. You need to write however many M&Ms you currently have right here. However many M&Ms you currently have right here. Once you have all of those M&Ms counted, you need to put them all back in your cup, shake your cup, and then you need to pour them out on your placemat. When you pour them out on your placemat, some of them are going to be M facing up, some of them are going to be M facing down. If the M is facing up, it goes in your cup. Please say that. Okay, if it is facing down, leave it on your paper. You don't need to worry about it anymore. Okay? Once it is back in your cup, you do the same thing. You shake it, pour it again, and each time you roll, like this right here is how many times you are rolling. You need to count how many M's are facing up. Okay? One last thing here. Do you see this equation here? This equation is important because it's going to tell you everything you need to know. This equation right here. For this equation, the y value here is the number of M&Ms you end with. The y here is the number of M&Ms you start with. And the end and the start have to do with the time, and the time is the number of rolls that you have done. Okay? So, if you started here with 50 M&Ms exactly, and then you poured and you got 48 of your M&Ms were up, then your end would be 48, and your start would be 50, and your time would be 1. K is the entire purpose of the lab. That is what you are trying to solve for, and you must solve for it 2 different ways. Okay? 2 different ways. That's the purpose of this lab. You are supposed to count the ones that are M facing up, the ones that go in your cup.
So, do you have any more colors by any chance?
Does anybody have any questions about what they need to do with this? Okay. Then that is all that we need for the recording today, so I'm going to pause this, or stop this, rather.